Have you guys also received an email from Ford that looks kind of like this one here? If you ordered a 2024 Mustang, I bet you have. So let's talk about it. Oh guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. In this one, we're just gonna try to consolidate the information out there of what Ford has put out there regarding the 2024 Mustang production, where it's at, and why a lot of us are getting production delay emails. Disappointing, to say the least. However, it's kind of to be expected with the way everything's going right now, and hopefully, you know, with this video kind of rounding up what's going on, you have a better idea of what's going on as well. Now, this information is out there on the internet. You know, this isn't anything special that Ford has given me or anything like that, of course, but hopefully this kind of serves as kind of a one-stop shop for you guys, so you guys can come in here, get a little bit of information, and feel better about your 2024 Mustang order, or at least know what's going on. So, what is going on? Well, Ford has run into a few production delays, if you haven't put that together already. But a couple of the big ones. Panel fitment.
Oh, hell no!
They've identified already that there's panel fitment gap issues, things like that, which you know has been an issue on the S550 platform as well, especially when those first launched back in 2015. So I'm hoping with all of these issues I'm about to talk about that Ford kind of, I guess, gets their act together, all the problems worked out before we end up taking delivery. The second one has me worried a little bit more, and that is issues with the electronics.
Oh, what did I do?
So they're saying there's some electronic issues, which detail on that, there's not a whole lot out there. So unfortunately, that's kind of up to our interpretation, I guess, of what really is the issue there. But electronics issues could be product delays, delayed chip shortage stuff, who knows? But they're running into issues there as well. And then finally, which has me worried the most because I placed an order for a 2024 Mustang GT, Ford says they're having valve train issues on the V8 that they're trying to mitigate.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Which is a little bit scary since I ordered a V8. So hopefully they figure that out. I thought that was an issue a while back with the 2015, 2016, 2017 models. I guess new gen, you know, Coyote motor. So there might be some other issues that we're just not familiar with yet. So they're working on that as well. So as far as EcoBoost concerned, haven't heard anything there. I guess that's good. Maybe everything's going swimmingly for the EcoBoost. But as far as the GTs go or the V8s, there might be some issues with that. Now, if you're like me, when the order banks opened on, I think it was 3/27 or 3/28, I got with my local dealer and I placed an order for a 2024 Mustang GT. And I got the confirmation email straight away from Ford. Your order's been placed, and I was super excited. Fast forward to May 15th. May 15th is when I got the email, the official email from Ford. We understand it's been way too long since you've last heard from us. So it was a while before I got that corresponding email, which it had me a little worried because on some of the Facebook groups, if you're not a part of them, I mean, you know, feel free to look those up and join them if you want more information circling around. But a lot of folks were placing orders in April or end of April, and they were getting a production date like a week later. And here I am placing an order on 3/28 and still haven't, you know, had word up until like last week about anything regarding my order. So it was a little frustrating there. So I do hope that Ford kind of gets this figured out and you know, we're not waiting too terribly long. I was hoping to take delivery of the car by maybe end of summer. I know a lot of folks that I've heard about were saying that they wanted it even sooner than that, but we have to be kind of realistic with the times we're living in. The part shortages, all that fun stuff. Still a problem, unfortunately. Now, with that being said, I am happy that Ford is finding these issues now. And I mean, I'm not happy that they're happening. I'm not happy that there's issues happening with production, but I'm happy they're finding and addressing these issues now, because the last thing I personally want is to take delivery of the car and then run into a whole bunch of issues for the first couple months of ownership and have the car spending more time at the dealership than I actually do, you know, have it in my driveway. So that's my kind of perspective on it. Like I said, I hope they work it all out and we start getting more updates soon, but really I want to hear from you guys. You know, if you placed an order for a 2024 Mustang, whether it's the EcoBoost, the GT, a Dark Horse, when did you place it? And then have you heard back from Ford? Have you got the dreaded production line email down kind of thing? Or did you get a production date? Did you get a VIN number? Because I still haven't got a VIN nor a production date, and I placed it on 3/28. So kind of weird. And this is just the information that's floating around out there. So those are the three main heavy-hitting issues that Ford is facing right now. But if you guys know of more or other reasoning as to why the production lines are down at the moment, I know they closed down production for a week in April, and then I believe the first week of May they stopped production as well, and it might even still be down right now at the posting of this video, but we're not 100% sure. So if you guys have more information, feel free to put it down in the comment section. But I am excited for the future of this channel, guys. Right now, you know, we have the EcoBoost, the 2018 EcoBoost that I've had a ton of fun with over the last few years. Made a bunch of different videos on it, and I appreciate each and every one of you for watching those videos and supporting the channel. But I am excited to get a hold of the 4th gen Coyote motor in the GT, and I just unlocked my car with the key fob with my elbow, so that's great. But I am excited to get my hands on the GT and experiment with that platform and do all the fun mods. So if you guys want to follow a channel with a new 2024 GT mods, tips, tricks, things like that, as we figure it out, I want to show you guys, feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free if you've never heard another YouTuber say that before. And if you like this video and you found it somewhat entertaining, and I hope a little bit informational as well, hit the like button. It helps me out. I'm trying to get to 100 likes on this one, so if you guys could help me out there, I appreciate it. And of course, we'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye.